Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can add a sub-issue to your issues and items on GitHub in 2026. So let us dive into this. Navigate to your repository next to your project, and let me go with this one here, and navigate also to one of your issues. So let me use the table view for that, and head over to item or issue number 1. Left click into it to open up that editing menu here. So what you want to do is select create sub issue here, and after that customize your sub issue, like give it a name, example sub issue 1, and after that proceed the same way you would do with normal issues or parent issues. Describe them below. You may mention someone like a co-editor within your repository or project. You may attach files like instructions, assign users to the sub issue. And also guys, here you may assign the project. You may also go with a different project if you like. And that's basically it. You can create more sub issues, as you can see, by selecting this checkbox here. Click into create. And after that, simply create a new one to add it to your parent issue. So if I click into cancel, you will see the sub issue listed here. And also you may expand the given issue here to, you need to click into that issue, excuse me, and you will see the sub issue, as you can see, listed here. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.